probably experiencing, we got a lot of snow. Well, I'm almost out of oil. Brr. So I've got to shovel a path for the oil man. Here we go. Okay. It's gonna take me a little bit. I'll check back in with you. Sweet oil. Oh, that was easy. You should do that for your oil man too. Okay.